Nagugutom ka ba and wants to enjoy an early dinner at one of the Maguete's best restaurants? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Mayong adlaw, this is J Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Dumaguete. After 4 years, I finally nakabalik ulit ako dito sa Sans Rival Bistro. And since I am craving for food na hindi naluluto sa bahay, I ordered spaghetti vongoli worth 200 pesos. It is a seafood pasta with meat of fresh clams. And Sans Rival's Island Burger worth 325 pesos. And I must say, this is the tastiest and juiciest burger na natikman ko. It contains a juicy beef patty, grilled pineapple ring, onions, and their special sauce. And if you want desserts, marami silang selections to choose from, especially ang sikat na Silvanas. And if you want to unwind, they serve cocktails as well. Truly, a perfect place to catch up with friends. Before we go, CR check muna tayo. I love the aesthetics, but sadly, walang bidet spray. Again, this has been J Perpetual Kid, and we just explored Dumaguete's pride in the restaurant scene, Sans Rival Bistro. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!